And salmon is really an amazing species. You know, when you think about salmon, they do something that I can't think of any other animal that provides for the continent what salmon does. You know, they're spawned in freshwater streams, and those might be very near the coast, or they might be up the Snake River in Idaho, 1,000 miles inland. Those small fish are fried, and they're smolts. Then they go out to sea, and they'll spend a couple of years, 2 or even 3 years, at sea feeding and gorging on anchovies and smelt and herring and shrimp. And in their feeding at sea, they're actually collecting within their own bodies all the nutrients and the trace minerals that are dissolved in the oceans that become part of the food chain, from the phytoplankton, the zooplankton that feed the small forage fish, and then those fish feed the salmon. The salmon flesh is a rich banquet of nutrition. And not only is it nutrition, because if they're not caught and consumed, they end up returning to their native streams and spawning and dying. And then their bodies become feed for animals, or might become fertilizer in the stream beds themselves and wash down to the alluvial plains. And there is the nitrogen fixing of the soils of the earth. How amazing is that? And I think it's a resource that we should respect greatly. You know, the native peoples have more than respect. The salmon is a sacred thing to them. And I think rightly so.